Okay, so here we are with Jamie Lewis from Synergy Custom at the CEDIA Tech Summit. So Jamie, how's the show been going for you?
It's been pretty good. We've had a few new people, a few new faces come through, which is always nice.
Yeah? Anything in particular they're interested in, or is it just a more across the...
Well, this year we've tried to bring just 3 main brands with us, something a little bit different, so a point of difference. So Audio Pro Business has been one that's had a spooked a fair bit of interest. It's a very different product to what else is available on the market. So
Very different. Looks like speakers to me. Why are these speakers different to anyone else's? Why should integrators look at them?
Jeremy, that's a very good question indeed. And the answer to that would be they're fully active speakers, so self-amplified, no wiring required. They run on a 1.9 gig Bluetooth network. And the audio is a simple 3.5mm input, so from a mixer, from an iPad. So perfect for small cafes, large retail spaces. So we've done the Yochi yogurt stores, we've done all the Adidas major stores with this. So it's very scalable, up to 32 subwoofers or speakers on one system. 2 subwoofer sizes, this is the baby, we do a bigger one too. And small speaker, large speaker, and available in black or white. It's a very simple mix.
So show us how you put one on and off.
So GA69 adapter going into a standard lighting track rail, literally just unclips and slides into wherever you want it along the rail, up it goes. Now in a 3-circuit track, you can then select 1, 2 or 3. So if you've got lights that are going to dim, you put your speakers on another track, so you've got the same voltage going through, so it doesn't affect that. If you don't have track lighting, or you've got a mixture of both, you can mount these onto the ceiling or onto the wall. You just need to have power as well, and we put a wall bracket up there. That version is a weatherproof speaker, so great for outdoors, great for ceiling mounting, wet areas. And then you've got your volume control, very simple little device. Wireless again, it's all on the Bluetooth network. You've got 6 adjustable volume zones, so you can have one zone. In your shop, you might have louder music outside or toward the front, and then in your pause area, you might have the volume dropping down a little bit. And the same would apply to a cafe or a restaurant as well. You just set it where you want, and you just have an override or just use each individual.
And how is that paired to the speakers?
Well, they're all on Bluetooth, so you literally plug them all in. These are USB powered. You press the pairing button on the back of everything. It has a 20-minute window, and it just goes and finds. So everything is actually pairing back to the transmitter itself, and once everything is turned blue, you know it's paired up. And if the shop power goes down, within 30 seconds at the beginning of the day, everything powers back up. The system finds itself, so you don't have to repair anything ever.
Great.
Very, very simple, very, very easy.
What a
Low
great
installation.
solution.
Yeah.
Great for small custom projects that these residential integrators might be doing in their commercial space.
Exactly right. Yeah, completely scalable.
Fantastic. Have you got anything else worth having a quick look at?
Well,
or?
definitely. Well, we've brought REL with us. REL has started to do a lot more business in the CI world. These here, so this is our HT, this is the home theater range. It's a 15-inch subwoofer. We're into the S series here, which is almost reference level, 12-inch with another driver underneath. And these are very compact for their size, extremely powerful, and we can run high-level connection. So in addition to your 0.1 LFE, we can actually run the signal off the speaker and get the full amplifications signal for the full frequency, and then we can wind the separate crossover in so it marries in perfectly to where your speaker stops working.
Fabulous.
So yeah, very, very good system indeed.
And finally,
Macintosh. These are the CI-centric parts of Macintosh. You'll be used to the very large blue VU meters, big amplification. So we do a range of products here that are more for the rack mount CI space. So starting down here, we've got a home theater receiver. This is a very new product, the MHT300. At 120 watts per channel, all channels driven at 8 ohms. It's probably one of the most powerful receivers there is. So very, very nice product. We've got the AV processor here, so that's an 11.2 channel AV processor. And then we've got a couple of amplifiers here. We've got a 1, 2, 3. That's an 8-channel amplifier, and we've got the 12-channel amplifier here as well. So great for distributed audio. So
I like how all the product actually tells you written right on the front what each thing is.
You don't even need me here to tell you.
You don't even need to think about it. It just tells you.
You don't even need me to read that to you. Yeah, that's exactly right. So yes,
right.
We want to bring something a little bit different. So that's the 3 brands that we brought with us.
Is this the full range of Macintosh home theater type product that they've got?
No, we do a lot of the very big amplification systems for theatre.
Right. Okay.
So we do 1.25 kilowatt amplifiers. They're monoblocks. We use those for left, rights, and centres. So we've got a couple of big theatres on the go at the moment with those.
Right.
So yes, they're just damn big and heavy to carry. So we thought we'd bring the slightly more svelte range with us. But no,
fair enough.
If people want to scale to full theatres, we've just had the Sonus Faber Arena launched as well, and they do 2 different sizes of LCR for theatres. They're in wall, and they're about $26,000 retail a piece.
Nice.
So obviously we need some big amplification for those. So yeah, we can do everything from nice compact bijou all-in-one systems right up to a full theatre as large as you like.
Beautiful. Well, if you're at the show, make sure you come down, have a look at what Synergy's offering. It's got a great range of products, and I really like that commercial lighting mount speaker system. So thanks a lot, Jamie.
It's been a visiting pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you.